Super Bash, and I'm out here with my Outcast and the Talion. Just going to go for a quick run here. I got my new body on. That's been sitting in the garage for, I don't know, 2 to 3 weeks now. I've just got back from a trip, haven't bashed in quite a while, so just got to get out and have some fun here. So anyway, I reinforced this new body that I had painted with fluorescent orange, Tamiya fluorescent orange, and backed it with a white backer. Anyway, so I'm trying something new today. I ended up using the E6000. It's like an industrial adhesive. I've heard other guys have had pretty good luck with it, so I went ahead and used the drywall mesh on the back corners, this back area that likes to split right down the middle, and then also up in the front, in the fenders, right up here. I had my old body, it actually went through quite a bit. It had split entirely through here and up both sides. And then I've got my little Walmart felt pads for the shock towers, both front and rear. Normally I cut these a little bit bigger, but unfortunately I ran out of material. But I went ahead and put a hot racing rear aluminum diff case in the back. So now I've got that paired with Voltage Hobbies suspension mounts, front and rear. Ooh, it's classic, guys. Literally my first jump. I just pulled the pillow ball out of the hub, so I'm gonna go take a closer look and see if I cracked it. I just had a stupid takeoff and kind of landed awkward. Guys, so I don't know if you can see it, but in the sunlight I can see my lower hub has got a nice crack in it. So well, I got my hub swapped. See if I can go more than a couple minutes without another mishap. Oh, nasty. Uh-oh. I'm losing power, guys. Something's not right. So guys, it turns out my SMC is pretty swollen at the moment, and I got up to 125, 130 on the battery. So I think that's what, I think I got a cell going out on here. So guys, I had lost drive to this back wheel, and it just is what it is. This spot's nice because there's nobody here to hassle you. Oh. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for my little urban bash here. V3 Talion, it's quite the beast so far. I'm super impressed. It's been pretty problem free all in all, and it's been more than a speed truggy for me. It's definitely taken its share of abuse. It takes big jumps, no problem. The wheels have held up. I thought these guys might be splitting, but I haven't noticed any cracks in them whatsoever. So, all right guys, until next time, late.